Okay, guys, welcome back to King's Media channel, and I am James Abraham here. And today's topic that we're going to learn is how to convert a low quality image into a high quality image. So maybe you get sometime for your client or maybe your own pictures, you will get very low quality stuff, but then how you can convert that, or how can you give more quality to your work. So without any further delay, let's get straight start into this. Okay, today I have this image, and let's see how we can improve the quality of this image. And I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2021. So let me just zoom this image and see how is this one. And as you can see, the quality is very low, and we are going to learn today how to improve the quality, or how can we increase the clarity of this image. So the first thing we need is, so we have to know what is the resolution of this image. To get the resolution, you can use the shortcut Control plus Alt plus I, or you can go manually image and image size, and you can see that here we have 72 as a resolution. You can increase the resolution. You can see already the difference that is being in the preview. We can see the difference already, and this is an option to reduce the noise, and the noise has been reduced, and we can already see the change in the quality of the image. I'm gonna do 3000 of resolution, and now I have to zoom out, and you can see the quality change already happening. But this is not the end, we are just starting. So this is the first step. You can do it according to the power of your machine, but if your computer is a slow process, you can reduce the resolution. Now we are going to see another plugin called Camera Raw Filter. So if you don't have this, I will come up with another tutorial where you can get it if you don't have. So you can see that. So these settings are from Adobe Lightroom. If you have ever used Adobe Lightroom, you can see that the Photoshop people, they have collaborated Lightroom and Photoshop together. That's why we have this plugin. And you can see that we have a lot of options: basic, curve, details, and color mix, lots. And the first option that I want to see is exposure. You can see that already our image is getting better, and this way you can see the before and after option. Okay, so you can see that how it was before and how it is right now, and you can work on all these options. It is up to you. It is up to your choice. You can play around, and you can do some experiment, and let's see how it is going to work for you. Okay, and texture is very important. I want to increase some texture, and definitely some clarity. You can increase that, up to you. You can see the changes happening, so it is up to you. You have to make the changes, and you have to decide how much you want to give this. I cannot tell you you have to put a plus 60 or a plus 50. I cannot tell that. It is up to you. Each image has different numbers. Okay, and then you can go to this detail, very important one. And I'm going to increase the noise reduction a little bit, and you can see the changes that is happening already. And of course I want to increase the color noise reduction to the full. Okay, so you can play around all these options, and you can spend some time, some real time on this, and you can make more changes, and you can see the changes that is happening already from where to where we are now. And you can play with all these controls, and let's click OK. And here now it's applying our filter. It's up to your computer how much fast it works. So if you have a good RAM, or if your machine is powerful, it will be done. and that's it. We have a very good quality image, but of course there are some spots on her face, and you can rectify that using healing brush tool. If you don't know about how does it work, I have a class, online class for this, on all the tools I'll be teaching. And if you want to join, you can comment below, or you can check the description box to join my classes. So here's it. We have a healing brush, and I'm gonna rectify this using our healing brush. And there are four tools, those works hand in hand to rectify spots on your face, or any spots, things like this. So now you can see that we have a better quality image, and you see that now you can see the before and after image, and how much difference it is there. So that's it guys for today. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and until I come back with the next class or next tutorial, see you, bye bye.